channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to a travel vlog. Finally, I'm so excited to go on vacation. It's been quite some time, right? And if you've seen the previous vlog, you know I'm going to Rajasthan and I'm going to Jaipur, but that's not our final destination. We'll be going further away from that. But yeah, if you're excited, give this video a big thumbs up and let's get going. But before I leave, here's my OOTD. I'm wearing this white sweatshirt from H&M, this beige coat from Veramoda and these jeggings from Veramoda as well. Now, before I take you all to Jaipur with me, recently I've been getting a lot of comments that you guys also want to learn editing, and that's the reason I wanted to share with you guys the software Wondershare Demo Creator, which is great for beginners. It's extremely user-friendly and you guys can edit some really aesthetic videos on it. In fact, Wondershare Demo Creator is not only used for editing vlogs, but you can also use it for your schoolwork. The trial version is completely free to use. The best thing about Wondershare Demo Creator is that it not only allows you to edit aesthetic videos, but you can also record using the same. There are two options for recording. Now let me show you how this feature works. You can see the webcam as well as the screen recording option is on, and now I can start recording from here. This feature is perfect for gamers. It also has these drawing tools that you can use. Once you finish the recording, it directly takes you to the editor mode. It has a lot of effects that you can use for free. It has these really nice facial effects, especially this one, facial recognition. This will completely remove the background, and in fact you can also change the background over here. These are the background options and I can just add one over here, and yeah, the background is added. Isn't this so cool? The other cool feature is this caption, wherein you can add subtitles to your videos without the hassle of actually typing what you're saying. You can also download a lot of online effect packs which have various styles which will help you, especially vloggers, to make your videos even more fancy, and you can download this for free. Wondershare also provides cloud storage so that you can make the most of this software. You can directly upload to YouTube as well and export. So I definitely think Wondershare Demo Creator is perfect for all of you guys who want to start editing your own videos. There are so many effects and features that you can play around with. The link is in the description and you can download this for free. So definitely check it out. Apart from this, you can also download Demo Air, which is a totally free online recorder. You can record your screen, webcam, or even both and share your video messages instantly using this. Definitely let me know in the comment section what you think about it. So Jaipur is approximately 260 to 270 kilometers from Delhi, and we decided to start our journey early morning to avoid traffic. So we've taken a quick halt here and we're going to sit here. धूप में बैठ के खाएंगे. After having breakfast, we recommenced our journey. I must say Rajasthan is a very beautiful state. We enjoyed some breathtaking sand dunes on both the sides of the road, and the route was really picturesque. So we finally made it to Jaipur, also the pink city. Although यहाँ पे कुछ pink नहीं लग रहा है. We are currently at the Amer Fort. Instead of going to the hotel directly, we've decided to first visit this place, and we are taking this jeep with us instead of walking, वरना बहुत time लगेगा. It costs around ₹400 for 8 people, so I think not bad. They'll drop us to the top of Amer Fort, then we can roam around for some time and they'll drop us back. So let me take you all through this beautiful Amer Fort. So our first stop at the Amer Fort is the Panna Meena Kund. Let me show you how this looks. Panna Meena Kund is Jaipur's most famous step wells and well-known tourist attraction. The architectural idea is breathtaking and one of a kind. So our guide just told us this is the place where Dabangg was shot and Salman Khan came here and shot. That's so cool. You can also take these Rajasthani things like this chhatri right here and click some cool pictures. It is an 8-story staircase pool with octagonal crisscross stairs. So one of the top tourist attractions of Jaipur, the huge Amer Palace Fort, sits at top of a small hill. We've made it to the main Amer Fort and we're heading towards it. And let's explore inside. This magnificent Amer Fort is an extensive palace complex that has been built with pale yellow and pink sandstone and white marble. This place is huge and you can see it's very crowded even on a weekday. The fort has a large number of sections including the king's quarter, the zenana where the women lived, gardens, temples, etc. There are a lot of attractions for one to see at the Amer Fort, including the Diwan-e-Aam and the Sheesh Mahal, which I'm most excited about. Amer Fort is the perfect example of Rajasthani architecture and definitely a must visit. So we've come to the Sheesh Mahal right now. This is the beautiful area and इसमें अलग से ticket लेनी पड़ती है of 100 rupees per person. But the views from here are insane. Like the background, oh my god, so good. Sheesh Mahal, also popular with the name Hall of Mirrors, is again a very beautiful and popular tourist attraction. It is artistically constructed by the decoration of ceilings and walls by the magnificent and minute work of mirror pieces. In fact, if you flicker a candlelight, this room seems to be shining and glittering. How beautiful is this view? So we've come to a very random place in the fort called Turkish Bath. बहुत अंधेरा यहाँ पे. Let's see what we discover. So we realize it's a part of the Sheesh Mahal only. बहुत stairs है. So we've made it to the top of Sheesh Mahal. So the place where you see all these people, एक telescope रखा हुआ है and if you pay them, तुम्हें दिन में तारे दिखाते हैं through the telescope. So the architecture of Rajasthan is an outstanding arrangement of colonial, Islamic and Hindu architecture. It carries a lavish architectural heritage. In general as well, Jaipur is constructed with magnificent palaces and buildings, the majestic forts, havelis, huge beautiful gardens, beautiful temples and their rich culture and heritage is what brings the entire of Jaipur together. So after the Amer Fort, our next stop is the Jal Mahal. The vibes are so immaculate, the view is so serene, I just love this. Set in the middle of the beautiful Mansagar Lake, Jal Mahal in Jaipur is a spectacular structure that seems to be floating on the lake's surface. And we've made it to the next destination of the day. We are at the City Palace. We parked our car here and now we are heading towards the main gate. The City Palace, abode of the royals, located deep within the walled city, the City Palace complex was conceived and built by Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II, who is also the founder of Jaipur, a beautiful fusion of Mughal and Rajput architecture. The palace is still home to the last ruling royal family which lives in a private section of the palace. So we've made it inside the Youth City Palace, and now I'm actually getting the Pink City vibes. It's lovely. Jaipur really gives you all the royal feels with all its huge palaces. Christmas in Jaipur. Now let's explore what's inside. I think that's the royal property that we don't have access to. That's reserved for them only. But yeah. City Palace is a building that has preserved the history of the city and is an icon of grandeur. And as soon as you enter this property, you're already mesmerized by its beauty and the marvelous architecture and the artifacts inside the palace. It is built out of red and pink sandstone, and this palace has vast courtyards surrounded by several arched smaller palaces. So this right here is the museum, and photography is not allowed, so I can't really show you. But basically it has all the Raja Maharaja ki kapde and all of the stuff they use. By the way, you can also find audio guides and even like real guides here in case you're interested. Clearly we are not. But it's a fun place for photography and all of that. Also, another pro tip, if you come to any of these palaces etc. in Jaipur, or I think in anywhere in Rajasthan, if you show your student ID or like college ID, whatever, you get a discount. In case you ever plan to come here, make sure to carry your ID. One last time, we're almost about to leave and the sun is setting. It looks so pretty. And presenting to you another cool thing about Rajasthani culture, their puppet show. चल्ला चल्ला रे चल्ला चल्ला रे ढीले पर गाड़ी होले होले धीरे धीरे. That right there is the beautiful Hawa Mahal, and उसके आसपास का market is so vibrant and colorful, and like the traditional wear is so inexpensive. Oh my god. So I'm currently at the Tattoo Cafe, which also has the best view of the Hawa Mahal, as you can clearly see. By the way, the Hawa Mahal is an extension to the Royal City Palace of Jaipur. So right around the Hawa Mahal are a few different markets like the Jori Bazaar as well as the Bapu Bazaar. And this right here is the very famous LMB of Jaipur, Lakshmi Mishtan Bhandar. Eating some pyaz ki kachori tastes really good. And that's how Hawa Mahal looks at night. Isn't it so aesthetic and exquisite? So we finally made it to where we're staying. We booked an Airbnb this time. We just had to stay for the night, so we were like, there's no point in spending on a hotel. We booked this really huge Airbnb. It's basically like an entire bungalow, and this is like the living room, and these are the rooms right here. I'm literally so tired, I can't even tell you, but we're all set to go out again. We actually have some relatives over here, so we'll be going to their place to meet them, obviously. So let's go.
The next day.
Hey guys, it's the next day and I'm randomly sitting on this jhula of our Airbnb. So it's around 9:30 and we'll be leaving soon. So in the previous vlog, I asked you guys to guess where I'm going, and a lot of you were correct about Jaipur, but this is not our final destination. Only one person was able to guess where we are going. You will have to wait for the next vlog to find out where I'm going. But right now I'm just chilling. We were taking some random pictures. Here's my OOTD. I'm wearing this sweater kind of from H&M, these jeans from H&M as well, and my white sneakers. By the way, surprisingly, it's actually not that cold in Jaipur. मतलब हमें लगा था कि ठंड होगी, but it's much colder in Delhi. Jaipur में तो it's very bearable. Like दिन में तो the sun is shining bright. But the next destination we're going to is apparently cold at night, so we'll have to find out. So here's what our Airbnb looks like. I couldn't show you all properly in the night, and this is our messy room.
Hi.
We just took some fun photos and we also made a reel, so follow me on Instagram to see that. But anyway, we're going to leave for our next destination, so stay tuned for the next travel vlog. And if you made it till here, comment these emojis, and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends, follow me on Instagram, and until next time, bye.